Hello everybody, yeah it's me Buddha and Swami with your Phone Ball Friday through SWAMI SAYZZZ Sunday, Central Florida audio and video surf report and forecast. All brought to you by the Main Street Pub. Home of fresh squeezed drinks, great food and live music. This Friday evening at 6 p.m, live music and the party gets started. Now that's downtown baby, Main Street Pub. Alrighty, we went over the swell information yesterday a little bit. Let's update a little bit. We had the northeast winds on Thursday. Today we're shifting to easterly on Friday, 10 to 15 to maybe 20 plus, and it's going to blow all day long and start building up more surf. More easterly winds build up the surf more. And so it should build more today on Friday and Saturday. East wind, not quite as strong on Saturday, but still 10 to 15 plus probably. Then the good news is surfing terms. Here comes easterly winds, and then get ready for the lighter winds on Sunday as it starts cleaning up all day Sunday during the day. And it's still going to have some wind on it, but not as strong. But for the bigger chunky surf, that's going to be Sunday. Then Monday looks like it calms down. Light winds late Sunday, Monday. Tuesday light winds. Wednesday light winds. And Thursday morning possibly light winds also. Now looking for some waist to plus to maybe some chest plus to bigger sets maybe Sunday. Then dropping off the waist to chest, maybe some bigger sets on Monday. And Tuesday dropping off a little bit more, Wednesday dropping a little bit more, and by Thursday of next week, still some waves left, but it looks like the winds are going to start filling in later on. Okay, that's what's going on with surf. All right, that's going to wrap it up for our Phone Ball Friday through SWAMI SAYZZZ Sunday Surf Report. Thanks again to our sponsors, SandandSeaBeachRentals.com, Ohana, Stronger Together, Got Oysters, Treasure Coast Shellfish. Don't forget to check out the live cams at surfgeary.com, and of course, the Main Street Pub. We'll be back from Hollow Monday through Wipeout Wednesday Surf Report. Be safe. See ya.